Today, I'd like to talk about relation and function. A relation is defined as any set of ordered pairs, and I've written 5 coordinates here to describe a set of ordered pairs. And before we talk about what a function is, I would like to talk a little bit about the difference between domain and range. Domain simply means the x-coordinate. In x and y relationship, domain is the x-coordinate, and the range is the y-coordinate. If I were to ask you what is the domain of this set of ordered pairs, the set of x-coordinate would be 1, 2, 3, 2, and 5. So that would be the set of the domain. So the set of points making up the range would be the y-coordinates, 2, 4, 9, 7, and 4. The set of domain coordinates, as you've noticed, that number 2 repeats itself, right there. So, there are 4 members of the domain because the 2 repeats itself. And if you look at the range as well, you will see that the 4 repeats itself. Now, the 4 is only one member, it doesn't end up being 2 members. It's only one member to the set of points making up the range. So even though there are 5 coordinates, there are only 4 members to the set of domain, and to the set of points making up the range is also 4 members. So we're gonna write this down here. So now, the way you can tell if it's a function or not, the definition of a function is each member of the domain associates with only one member of the range. If you look at the 1 is associated to 2. If we look at the 2 is associated to the 4. If we look at the 3 is associated with 9. But notice here, the 2 is also associated with 7. And whenever a member of the domain associates with more than 1, it's not a function. So just to continue, 5 here associates with 4. So this set of ordered pairs is not a function. And now, let us check whether the given relation is a function or not. First step to check is to plot the points. First point is 1 and 2. Second, 2 and 4. Third is 3 and 9. Fourth, 2 and 7. And the last is 5 and 4. So these are the 5 points, and there is something which we call the vertical line rule. And if you can draw a vertical line that goes through 2 or more points, then it's not a function. And this is the way to check whether your x appears twice. If you can draw a vertical line here through this point, there's only one point that the line intersects. But once we draw through here, you notice there are 2 points that the line intersects. Therefore, the relation that was given is not a function.